My mom used to make this soupy, gingery Filipino chicken tinola whenever we caught a cold. But it's even better with my crispy chicken skin topped rice. Start by slicing an onion, mincing some garlic, and using a spoon to peel some ginger without slicing your fingers off, before cutting it into discs with a knife. This is optional, but I like to separate the skin and crisp it up in the pot rather than letting it stew. It'll also render fat that you can saute the rest of your ingredients in. Season it with a big pinch of salt, then set aside the chicken skin for later. Fish sauce or patis is the secret ingredient to chicken tinola's simple yet satisfying flavor, helping transform a few humble ingredients and water into a flavorful soup as it does for countless soups in Filipino cuisine. While the soup is simmering, you can slice up the sayote, a green squash also known as kayote, which adds satisfying texture and healthy nutrients to the soup. It gets another health boost from malunggay, aka moringa, a superfood with anti-inflammatory qualities, though you can wilt in spinach if you can't find malunggay. Taste your soup and add more fish sauce to your liking. Tinola is best enjoyed with a bowl of white rice, which you can top with the reserved chicken skin if you want extra crunch and chicken flavor. So save this easy recipe for whenever you're feeling under the weather.